Very good morning, my dear students of class 10th. Welcome to English literature class. Now I am going to start the short story, My Greatest Olympic Prize, chapter number 9. You please listen carefully what is all about in this chapter, My Greatest Olympic Prize. And the next day I will explain the chapter. Here, the Olympic Games of 1936. It was the summer of 1936. The Olympic Games were being held in Berlin. Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were members of the master race. So, nationalistic feelings were at an all-time high. Students, you know D. Coubertin, the founder of modern Olympic Games, said that the true spirit of Olympics was not winning but taking part. Here in this story, Luz Long did not win, but he was a good example of Olympic spirit. To Jesse Owens, the greatest Olympic prize was not the gold medal, but his new and noble friendship with Luz Long. Here you must know how the story starts here. Summer of 1936, Olympic Games at Berlin. These are the keywords, my dear students. Summer of 1936, Olympic Games at Berlin. Jesse Owens, the American Negro athlete, participates in the games. Hitler believed in Aryan superiority theory. Owens expects to win the gold medal and break the theory of Hitler. Owens' performance in the trial very poor. Commits 2 fouls, disgusted, curses himself. Meets Luz Long. He meets Luz Long, a German athlete, a true sportsman. He gives him a tip and Owens qualifies in the trial. Jesse Owens has an eye on the running broad jump event. He takes part in the event, wins the gold medal by jumping 26 feet 5 hole 5 upon 16 inches. Luz Long congratulates him by shaking hand with him. Both become true friends. Now you must know the story in short and try to understand, my dear student. The lesson, My Greatest Olympic Prize, is the heart-touching experience of Olympic gold medal. Olympic gold medalist Jesse Owens. Adolf Hitler believed in Aryan superiority. He thought that his German athletes belonged to a master's race and they would perform better than other participants in the 1936 Olympics, Berlin. So, nationalistic feelings were running high. The American Negro athlete Jesse Owens took 6 years of painful practice, purposely to break the theory of Hitler. He wants to break the theory of his superiority, his Aryan superiority. So he worked hard. He sweated all time. 6 years of painful practice purposely to break the theory of Hitler. He had already made a world record in long jump just in the last year. So he expected to win the gold medal easily this time. Jesse Owens had trained himself, sweated and disciplined himself for 6 years with the games in mind. Keeping the games in mind. He wanted to win. When the time came, he started to see a lot. He startled to see a tall boy hitting the pit at almost 26 feet on his practice leaps. He was a German named Lutz Long. He was told that Hitler had kept him under wraps, evidently hoping to win the jump with him. It was believed that an angry athlete would commit mistakes. He was angry with Hitler's childish theory. Jesse Owens. He was angry with Hitler's childish theory, so he committed mistakes. His performance in trial was very poor, thus disturbed mind. Jesse Owens started his trial. This disturbed Jesse Owens very much. Lutz Long, the German athlete, helped Jesse Owens. Lutz Long, he was a German athlete, helped Jesse Owens. Though he was trained by Hitler, he didn't believe in Hitler's theory. Jesse was his opponent player. He was his opponent player, but he was friendly with him and even helped him to get qualified for final. He suggested to draw a line behind takeoff board and to jump. Lutz Long broke his record in long jump. However, it was Jesse who won the gold medal by jumping 26 feet 5 upon 16 inches. Lutz Long congratulated him by shaking his hand. Hitler glared at both of them. Coubertin says, the founder of modern Olympic Games, he said that the true spirit of Olympics was not winning but taking part. Lutz Long did not win, but he was a good example of Olympic spirit. To Jesse Owens, the greatest Olympic prize was not the gold medal, but his new and noble friendship with Lutz Long. My dear students, this was all about this story, and you will study in my next period, in my next video. I will explain the chapter. Thank you so much, students.